Okay, today is what, February 2020. Unboxing of a Quasar GX-3632. I'm going to start the live video on the thing here. Hopefully that'll work. And then I'm going to try and you don't understand this. Okay, I'm live. Great. So I can turn the cell phone off. And now I've got the camera. I've got this camera behind me. It's in the hallway. I'm going to move this. Okay. As I wait. Let me just fold this up. All right. So then let me put this behind me and set it down. Okay, set it down. Let me look one more time. Okay, so I'm going to put this between the wall and about there. Okay, so I have only one shot at this. Only one tape, one pair of scissors, and me on that. Now, that camera in the hall can't really see too well, but okay, so how do I want to do it? Let's back up into the bathroom, I guess. All right, so and if I, that's a wide angle camera, this is not. All right, so do I have enough cord? I do have enough cord. All right, so I don't know if I can do this right. Let's see here. So, okay, here is a, see, can I see, I can't see myself. Okay, this is a Quasar GX-3632 that I got back in the summer of 2019, and when it arrived, I made a video about it being very broke. Okay, so when it arrived, it broke, and it broke this tweeter. Sorry, I don't have a flashlight with me. I forgot to bring one. I'm not dressed to have a flashlight in my pocket. Anyway, so this one works. The cassette deck works. I have a cassette in here, so let me play that briefly. Wait. So there's a tape in there. Does that. Okay, so just let me hit stop. Let me hit eject. Take the tape out. Okay, and then this radio does work. See, radio.
We can just come to blows here. You watched Parasite last week. Thoughts?
And it works.
Well,
like that.
here's.
So turn it off, put it on tape, and this has, you know, says shortwave, medium wave, shortwave 1 and 2. It's got your mode beep proof, which is your mono, stereo, and ambience. Okay, and then it has your stereo or your tape selector, which is your normal chrome and metal tape, and then it has your selector, which is your tape off, radio, and line in. Okay, so you can plug your phone into this if you have a phone, or if you have any, you know, line in type apparatus. You can plug it in via a Y adapter and or even stereo adapter. You can even plug a phono into this if you want. But there's your line in and line out. These are your external microphones, and then your external speakers and your headphone jack, your AC input. And on this one has a world voltage selector switch in the back. Okay, and also it's got whatever. However, this one, okay, you hear those pieces rattling around. That's because this one is broken in the front. Those of you can see on that one there, but it's also broken on the top. Okay, and then because it's also broken on the top, it's really hard to see from that camera way far away. I wish I'd brought my remote, but this is also broken. I get my finger in here. So the back is broken, the front is broken, the top is broken, and even that's broken. Okay, so it's all really broken. But aside from all that, the radio does work and the cassette deck works. However, I wanted one that was a bit more pristine than this one, so I had a coupon. You get a coupon from eBay every 3 months, and so I found one. And I talked the guy down from his ridiculously high price of what I pay anyway. So I got that one. All right, so this is, like I said, an unboxing video, but this is the old one here I have. I just wanted to show that it works and what it sounds like and so on and so forth. So now let me get this other thing here. I'm slightly handicapped. I'm working on a knee roller, so here is the box. Okay, so I did keep some scissors over here, so while keeping my foot up in the air, or at least, you know, like this, okay? So I'm going to unwrap this box here. Let you see that ever so briefly, and it's here, and it's packed rather well. And just for giggles, let's see here, without dropping that. Let's see here. So this is, oh, it might have a good inch of packing around it all the way around. So anyway, without further ado, let's see, I didn't even, well, I'll just try to preserve that best I can, because I normally like to take a picture of these things, but I just got this in the mail 2 days ago, because I ordered it right when I got home from being in the hospital from the 8th of January 2020 to what, the 30th of, well, Thursday of January, the 30th, I think. Anyway, that's how long I've been in the hospital, so I really do want to save this. Well, okay, I just want to save his address, really. Now, let's just scissor it out. That'd be easiest to do. I can get a, yeah, there we go. Just scissor that out. And, let's see, okay. And this first time I've had a chance to be with this box, but then again, I can't really be carrying stuff around because I don't have a good way of carrying it around, since I only have one foot to walk on. And I would talk about that more, but you know how they say it can't happen to you. Well, it happened to me. So that's why I'm here like this. So now let me just, that over there, nobody can really see that, okay, and then just go back to opening this box here. And this has got, well, oh, we got an invoice, great. So there's the invoice, fabulous. And then here's the lots of paper, and some bubble wrap. Great. So where can I put this? I put it in the pocket. Right there. Not to make a mess, but this smells like cardboard. Alright, I guess I can put this down. I got big enough hands to hold it, so there that is. And then, why do they put this in a plastic bag? I don't know. Why don't you just put it in the battery compartment? Oh, that's the other thing. This box here did not, this particular radio did not come with a battery cover, okay? So what I'm planning on doing is using the battery cover on the radio that I showed you previously, that I played here, and I'm going to put it on the back of this one here, which does not have a battery cover. That's the sole reason why I bought it, because this one hopefully is in much better condition than the other one, and so on and so forth. Okay, so there's that. We can throw that box away if I can get that. Just to stay, please, just stay there. Oh gosh, here. Okay, so there we go. So we can stay. All right, put this on the doorknob because I can't be walking around carrying. Okay, so now, then let's. All right, I put it down with one hand and pick it up one hand. Okay, great. So, and now we got to go through. I'm trying to do this quickly because the other camera back there has only got a 16-minute time frame before it jumps into 2 files. So hopefully I'm motoring along, because I like to check the time about now to see just how far along I've gotten. But you know how that goes. Alright, so okay, so we got, again, these people, they put so much tape on these things, and so tightly. Of course, it all depends on how you tape it up. So there we go. So now, okay, so not that I'm trying to preserve this, but I'm also trying to preserve the mess, because I just can't be cleaning up in this room here. I'm not really supposed to be operating the vacuum fan all day. Okay, so here's the top of it. Great. So can we? Okay, so that's like that. And yeah, he did go around, I think. Well, okay. So there's that. Alright, so now just let me pull this off. Here we can. Great. Oh, great. Okay, so yeah, I see how I do this. Alright, so pull this down. Pull that down. Pull this down. So this one's a little bit dirty, but it does have a complete antenna. And of course it's missing the battery compartment. And it's got the, oh whoopee, it's got the paper sticker for the front window here, but it doesn't have a battery cover. So now simply, without further ado, put that in your pocket so you don't lose them or have to bend over and pick them up. What did you do with the power cord? Did you take your tape? You took your tape out. Where's the power cord? Oh golly, oh gosh. I picked up the wrong end. Where's the power cord? Oh no. Okay, gotta set this down. Alright, so, yep. Oh, alright, so here we go. Here's the power cord. Is this the right radio? Alright, so, yeah. Okay, so there's no battery, there's nothing there. This does have a, yeah, this is like, well, this is definite, I don't know what the hell happened here, but definite, some kind of issue with that right there. That's not a huge deal because the whole thing is not cracked, but this is something that's actually like someone melted something on here again here, and then a tiny little thing there. That's really not something that you could, I was hoping that could be, you know, use some plastics or use some, you know, anyway, that's not going to happen. So I just want to plug this thing in, turn on, make sure the volume is down. Okay, the volume is down, plug it in, radio.
For what you need, Liberty Mutual Insurance. I'm DJ Ringenberg on the radio. Take it.
So there it is. So radio works. It's in mono, put it in stereo, and I don't want to sell that music, so it's like no. So there's the stereo light coming on, and
En el show de Piolín.
Oigan, paisanos, ¿qué creen? En esta hora tendremos la ruleta.
Every celebrity have a great weekend. It's K-Love. Flavors the train.
94.9 KLTY. You ready for more music?
Now with even more music for you while you work.
so that works. That works.
Hey, Valetti Pique.
Well, the radio all works, so now let's flip it over to tape. Get a tape, alright? And again, this is another famous tape. I think I had it on side B before. That's A, that's still A. This is B. Okay, so again, down here at the bottom, I want to check and make sure before I put my tape in that it does work. So that's working, okay? That's working, and then this should be play, which that's working. Okay, great. So throw my tape in, hit play. And it does that, and it does that.
Whoever said that life on this planet would ever be paradise? I say, don't put it away.
Yeah, I don't know what that music is, but anyway, so the only real issue with this cosmetically being it dirty and old and all that is it's got this little bit here, and of course it's got the handle, and it's missing the battery cover, but I'll simply take the battery cover off of the radio here. Where did the other radio go? I mean, it's just, oh, here it is. So here's the other radio. Take the battery cover off of that one and put it on this one, and then I'll simply go through this one here and repair it best I can, minus the you know, the speaker and all that being issued, and sell this without a battery cover. Because for those people that just want to plug these things in, so because I want to use it on batteries, and so I've been looking for this one for quite some time, and that's all I know. And so good day, bye bye, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. I could go on about this, but I've already posted enough pictures of that, and I just wanted to make this video, or I just wanted, yeah, anyway, just, so here it is, there it is. Now I gotta pick all this stuff, put it all back, because my wound care nurse is gonna be here, well, gonna be here pretty soon, so that's all I know. Thanks for watching. I'll go in here and check the Facebook thing here, because I'm making 2 copies. Let's see here, so, alright, so I gotta get up from this, wait. There's something to push on that I can push on. Oh, I didn't think this through. Let's just stand up. Yeah, okay, so put your leg on that. Alright, so I need a place to put these radios. Okay, well, I just put this over there. Alright, so there's that one. Get this one. Okay. Get that one there. Alright, so unplug this. Alright, so now